The Itel A80, an ultra-budget smartphone released few months ago. There are slight upgrades such as the punch-hole screen, ring flashlight, 50 megapixels camera, and an OS upgrade, which is the Android 14. On the exterior are the usual positions from most budget devices. However, its color variants are the wave blue, sandstone black, and glacier white. The display is a 6.7-inch punch-hole display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels IPS LCD display, which is okay for its budget category, which should be producing good-looking HD colors for multimedia usage. Brightness value is 500 nits and comes with a dynamic bar, and as well as a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. There are two variants, comprising of the 128GB ROM plus 3GB RAM, expandable to 8GB RAM via memory fusion, and 128GB ROM and 4GB RAM, expandable to 8GB RAM via memory fusion. I will highly recommend you go for the 4GB variant for extra performances. Also, its memory are expandable using memory card of up to 2TB. The powerhouse is sadly the Unisoc Tiger T603 octa-core processor. I wish they have upgraded it to the T606 variant, which is way better than the underperforming T603. However, it handles basic tasks and light games. The camera is a 50 megapixels main and 8 megapixels front, capable of shooting OK pictures and videos at 1080p at this budget category, but comes with interesting features displayed on the screen. Battery is a 5000 mAh, capable of a day's usage or even more for basic tasks, but comes with a 10-watt charger from the box, capable of more than 2 hours of charge. Its operating system is powered with the new Android 14 or Itel OS 14, which is an upgrade from their previous Android 13 with upgrades such as the ultra power saving mode, landscape display, Smart Link Plus, etc. For budget conscious, the elderly and children, this phone is highly recommended. Thank you.